Hello and welcome back. My name is Leeanne Roose. Today's video is about 10 laundry hacks, so let's get right into it. Number 1. In your washing machine, use 1/4 cup baking soda. This ensures that the clothes get more clean and adds life to the clothing. Number 2, do not use bleach. It's a harmful chemical and it also eats through the clothing very quickly. And if that wasn't bad enough, it leaves a film on the clothing that can only be removed by rinsing again with cold water. Number 3, make sure to regularly clean your washing machine. Most washing machines have a self-clean cycle that lasts about 3 hours. Make sure you're doing that every few loads. Not every 3 loads, but at least every 10. Number 4, don't overuse laundry detergent and don't underuse laundry detergent. There's a happy medium. There's a fill line on the plastic cup that comes with your laundry detergent, so just follow the directions. Number 5, linens always have a tag attached to them that tell you how to care for that item. The said tag includes special instructions on how to care for that item. Number 6, make sure that you're not overfilling your washing machine. If you overfill your washing machine frequently, it could take years off the life of your machine. In this case, it's better to underfill than overfill, but there is a happy medium here too. Number 7, personally, I divide my clothes into 4 different categories: pants, regular clothes, microfiber towels, and then towels. Number 8, don't overwash your blue jeans, your clothes, because it makes the color in them fade really quickly. Number 9, make sure to clean the inside and the outside of your washer and dryer so they perform better. Number 10, how to wash microfiber towels. Wash them separately from other clothing and only use detergent. Well, there you have it, 10 ways to simplify laundry. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.